kittens. Hello, everyone. Oh my goodness. Look at all the creatures. So many creatures. Oh my goodness. Don't touch my toes. Hold on.
I should go in the other room too. What time is it?
2:10-ish, 2:15.
Chill, baby, chill.
No, she's a tortie. She can't do that.
Yeah, that's making me. Oh, hello.
Oh my goodness. Kids are having so much fun. Oh. Hello. Oh my goodness. Look at all these creatures. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Your tail.
Oh.
Ew. You don't even notice. You're gonna just splash it everywhere without even realizing.
No, that is a bad habit to get in the habit of. No finger eating. Which one fingers?
Hi, Einarr. Einarr. Oh. Hi. Hi, little man.
Hi, bye, sweetie. So fun.
There's just so many babies.
Hi. Oh, tasty baby.
Think about it, Tort.
Oh,
Good girl. Somebody's aggressively sniffing my feet. Oh, that tickles. Well, hello. Yeah. Ow. Excuse. No. No, I'm not food. I'm not food. Who is this? Ah, Lex Luther. Hi. Look at all these creatures. Oh, ow. Wild children. You coming in?
Lots of kitten attention too.
Look at them all.
All of you, yeah. Look at this. They're like in heaven.
You coming in to say hi? Okay. Oh my goodness. Tough guy. Oh.
This is Kat. She's one of our volunteers. And you are?
Amy, I'm a volunteer.
Oh, okay. I don't think we've met. Anyhow, this is my daughter. She's going to come join you and play with Kitten. You got to go first.
No,
before
sir.
everybody runs out.
Okay, well, you could have let me go in by myself. Well, hello, sweetheart.
Uh-oh.
This down.
Watch out, Einarr.
Who you been to say hi? Oh.
Yeah. Bunch of wild creatures, huh?
Oh, that's a boy, yes. Yes, those are sisters. Yeah, and the calico is the two Chinese sisters. Yes. She's by herself. Yeah, she's the last.
Those are my cat's favorite toys.
Oh, cool. They seem to love it too.
That's Simon. You are having a lot of fun here. I'm kind of worried about my toes. Oh, okay. Goodbye.
And why does she have a little cone on? What'd she have done?
Oh, I know.
She had to have 2 toes removed.
Oh.
Yeah. She,
I mean, you're not even telling me ingrown as a kitten, right? Like, so I know sometimes they get like ingrown nails.
no, she, broke 2 of her toes while in foster. And I guess they couldn't save them probably because it's just so small.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. She was probably just playing too hard. You silly baby. But doesn't slow her
You're a
down.
wild one, huh?
She is.
Breaking toes.
She's got to make up for the missing toes. She does.
Yeah, she's the crazy one.
Mm-hmm. I worry about my toes whenever she's near them. She looks like she's gonna chomp them. You gonna steal my toes?
This beautiful long fur. I know. Call it medium, right?
Yeah, it's medium.
Pretty.
It's very pretty. Yeah, the fluffy one's Indy.
Do you have cats already?
I do.
Are you getting
Hi. Hi,
I
Einarr.
live in New Jersey.
Oh.
So, if I am, I'm not getting them from California.
Oh, okay. That's cool.
You know, I'm just visiting. You have cats at home?
I had 2 dogs and 1 cat and it passed. About a year ago. I'm still torn up.
Not ready yet.
No.
So, I'll tell you, so the cat I have now, I was not ready
Okay.
for another cat.
Okay.
I had lost 2, like, in the period of a year.
Yeah.
Which, I mean, you know the heartache and the fortune trying to save them.
Yes.
And I'm like, yep, can't do it again. And my niece called me from Florida. Aunt Gwen, I need you to take my cat. She was still in school.
Okay.
She's like, in college, she's like, and it's COVID time.
Oh, yeah.
She's like, I adopted her, she's the best cat I've ever had, and I don't know what's going on, but I'm allergic to her.
Oh, no.
I-
That's crazy.
I mean, like,
Yeah,
she's
timing.
crying, she's like,
Yeah,
you
she
know,
loves it.
I'm like, and I can't say no to her.
Yeah.
And I had a sister in Florida who flew up with the cat, like everybody in masks, and had the carrier. And, you know, I'm like, and, oh my gosh, the sweetest cat I've ever, like, I've had cats
Crowd
my
in.
whole life
Kittens,
since I
there's
was
plenty of kittens to go around.
Yeah, I know. This
and
went all in this
and
machine.
Siri, like, she sleeps with me every night.
Oh.
Um,
How old is she?
She's now 6.
What's her name?
Sadie. She's a polydactyl on all 4 paws.
Look at them go.
The extra paw and all of them.
Oh.
So the story is I'm like, you know what, I wasn't ready, I would not have gone out, I wouldn't have found her, but I kind of feel like it was meant to, you know what, it was meant to be. So when it's meant to be,
Yes.
Oh my
you'll
goodness,
get your
look at them
next
go.
baby. I know they're part of your family.
Hi there.
Don't jump in the water.
Oh yeah, somebody already dipped their tail into the water and oh, she pulled her tail up and it was just dripping. She didn't even notice. She's so preoccupied with being
So
her
are you here a
tails.
couple times a week,
Just Fridays.
just Fridays?
Yeah. And I do the dogs too.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh my
You're
goodness.
like, no preferential treatment, cats
Yeah.
and dogs.
Yeah.
You're so sweet. You're so sweet.
I love the markings.
I know, you got the little white bib.
Yep.
Cool.
She's been on the
White
board for
markings,
years.
Cool.
She was a volunteer. She's been on the board for years. I think she's just stepping down. Like, she'll finish up the boardwalk in August, but she'll still be coming in a couple times a week. So she loves it here.
Ah, nice. Hi. Hi.
Excuse me. You trying to give yourselves brain damage?
You got a wet tail.
Yep, she's the one.
Oh.
She's the one. Look at the toe.
Ooh, calico. I haven't seen a calico in a while. Okay.
Ah, hi. Oh, you're so soft, so silky. So silky. Look at those little toes. Look at those little toes. So gentle. Ow.
Each other.
Hello, Torty. Oh,
I got bit, but I'm not now, but I'm bleeding a little bit. By this one, but I think he was just playing.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
well, these are very good kids.
You probably wanna disinfect them in the bathroom.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It doesn't even hurt. I'm okay, but.
Yeah. But
Oh, baby.
the teeth is pretty sharp. So.
Okay.
Yeah, it's good to wash it even if it's just a little.
And then it is is it iodine thing?
Yeah, just soap and water.
You know that there's a brown like iodine thing in the cabinet?
Okay.
Yeah. It's just
Oh,
Thank you.
am I tasty? Oh, nope. Nope, Simon, you're not going anywhere. Poor squish your face, huh? Oh. Look at these little monkeys. Look at this monkey tail. Look at these little monkey tails. Simon, are you gonna be nice to them? I don't think she liked that.
Look at his blue eyes.
I really need to get like a 360-degree camera so I don't miss the action. Oh, no sharing.
Oh, look at you have to say hi.
Tori.
You smell the kitty cat from home?
Ow. Look at it. What's up, sir? Oh my good. Oh, hello. My goodness. You're just throwing yourself. Whoop.
Sylvie's having a crazy zoomies out.
Hi, Einarr. She doesn't know what to make of it.
Yeah, red ball looks like a fave.
Get it, Sylvie.
Crazy troublemaker.
They're all little troublemakers. I think you should, Tori.
They're all troublemakers. What is this?
I don't know who that is. Somebody's licking my toes. Whoop. Simon? Might be Simon. Probably Simon. It's Simon. Are you being too much for her? Being too much for her?
Some of your friends in here are quite crazy.
Good. Simon, be nice. Don't be too much. You're bigger than them. Uh-uh.
Alright, let me show you the problem.
Okay.
You see, when you print it out on a piece of paper, you put it on here, and
Yeah, I told you.
so how do you divide it to go on the second page? So in other words, I just push it.